How a helicopter is made. Engineers give out the modern design with more advanced technology. At the factory, aluminum sheet are cut to fit the helicopter design give out using robotic arms that give an accurate precision of the specific measurements. The outermost body is now constructed using steel bars and aluminum sheets with many precision engulfing where the seats will be wiring tray and fuel tanks will be packed. The cockpit is assembled in another line and testing of all functionality is done where it's then transferred to the newly constructed helicopter. The engine, which is a critical part of the helicopter, is mounted. The loader is also placed at the top part of the engine where it peeps out of the top part of the helicopter. Rotor, which are the main flying mechanism of the helicopter, are also fixed on top of the helicopter and at the tail. Wiring of the helicopter is also done. This process is complex and the expert engineers take their time to complete this process. Fuel tank that are essential to the helicopter are placed. The standing strands are placed at this juncture. The leather seats and ceiling are also fixed to give a silk interior look. Different helicopter factory build different helicopter models. This includes the Robinson R-22, Robinson R-44, Bell 206 Jet Ranger, Airbus H-125, Airbus H-145, Leonardo AW-139 and many more. Overhaul quality check is now done before the new engine is now ready to test drive. After the test, the helicopter is painted to give a beautiful finishing. Once the quality check and painting is done, the helicopter is now ready to have an air test.
Power curve looks nominal.
And that's how the helicopter is made. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.